What does money earning online means for you? Do you use a lot of ads on your smartphone or tablet? If you are like most people, you probably do. But did you know that there is a way you can actually get paid for using the hottest new apps as soon as they are released? When you think about the fact that the app market is growing like crazy and is worth billions of dollars, it's easy to see why this makes sense. Every day thousands of apps are released into the App Store, and most get lost amongst the crowd. Developing an app costs thousands of dollars, and app developers really don't want to put all the effort in just to see it flop, so they pay regular app users to download their apps, test them and write a review. This helps their app climb the rankings in the App Store and get positive feedback. The more money they make, the more they have to pay app testers like you. This is a huge opportunity, and those who get in now are going to profit the most. Check it out. The link is below.